Hi guys, welcome to Python video tutorials series. In this video, I would like to discuss method overriding in Python. What is the meaning of method overriding? Method overriding means defining a method with the same name and same parameters in the child class as a method in its parent class. Defining a method with the same name and same parameters in the child class as a method in its parent class. The child class can provide its own implementation to the inherited method. When a method is called on the instance of a child class, the child class's method is executed, guys. Here is an example. Let's have a demo and understand. I go to Python ideally shell and the Python file. Here I want to create a class called as animal. Then I say define a method called as speak with the parameter self. And I say here print, I say here animal speaks, bracket close. Now I can create the object of the animal class, right? I say A is equals to animal, right? Now A is the instance of animal class. I can simply say here A dot speak. If I say A dot speak, definitely we see animal speaks displayed here, right? If I save and say run module, you see animal speaks is displayed, right? Animal speaks is displayed because A is the instance of animal class and we are calling the speak from the animal class, right? Okay. Now what I do here, I am going to create another class called as dog. It inherits from the animal class. It inherits from the animal class and it is going to be an empty class. So I say pass. Okay. Now what I do, I create the object of the dog class. I say D is equals to dog. Bracket, and I say D dot speak. Now what happens? See, in the dog class, we are not defining the speak method, right? We have no speak method in the dog class. But we know that dog class is inherited from the animal class. So definitely the speak method will get inherited to the dog class. That means there is a version of speak in the dog class. That means if I say D dot speak, definitely we see animal speaks displayed. If I save this and say run module, you see that we are getting animal speaks. What is the meaning of that? When we inherit, definitely this method got inherited here, guys. Okay, it has inherited here. But the child class can give its own implementation to the inherited method. Right? That's what we are discussing here. The child class can provide its own implementation to the inherited method. So what I do here, let's go to Python ideally shell and Python file. Here I paste this, I define the speak method again, but this time instead of animal speaks, I say here dog barks. Now what happens? When I say D dot speak, what we get? Do we get animal speaks or dog barks? Definitely we get dog barks. If I save this and say run module, you see that we got dog barks because we have given a new implementation. So definitely D is of type dog. So definitely the dog speak will get called. So this is called as method overriding or function overriding, guys. This is called as method overriding or function overriding. Defining a method with the same name and same parameters in the child class as the method in its parent class. This is called as method overriding, guys. And here I have told that when a method is called on the instance of the child class method is executed. Right? When a method is called on the instance of the child class, definitely the child class method is called. Right? Overriding the parent method here. This is called as method overriding, guys. Right? Even though the speak method exists in both the animal and dog, the method in the dog is executed because the object is instance of the dog class, right? You can, okay, if you want, you can call the parent class's overridden method inside the child class method using the super function. If you want, you can call the parent speak inside the child speak. That means inside the dog speak, you can call the animal speak with the help of super function. Because we know that the super function allows us to access methods and constructors of the parent class, or you can say the next class in the method resolution order. We have discussed already in the previous class, right? See, if I go back to this code, if I say here print dog dot underscore underscore MRO underscore underscore close, I'm displaying here MRO of the dog class. If I save this and say run module, you can see we got the MRO. Here the next class of the dog is the animal. The next class of the dog is the animal. So here I say super. Super indicates the next class of the class in the MRO. The next class of the dog in the MRO is the animal, right? From the animal, I am going to call the speak function like this. We can call the super class methods in the derived class with the help of super function, guys. Okay, now this time if I say d is equals to dog, if I say d dot speak, what happens here? D dot speak means dog speak method is called. Here super indicates the next class of the dog in the MRO, that is animal. So animal's speak method is called. So animal speak method displays animal speaks first and then comes back and prints dog barks. If I save this and say run module, you see animal speaks, dog barks, both output we got. So if you want, you can definitely call the parent class methods using the super function, guys. Right? In the previous class, we have discussed about the super function. Super function allows us to access the methods and constructors of the next class in the method resolution order. Right? I told you that super function is commonly used to call parent class constructors and methods. It is used to call parent class constructors and methods. In the previous class, we understood how we can call the parent class constructor using the super function, and in this class we understood how we can call super class methods in the child class or parent class methods in the child class. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is the meaning of method overriding. Method overriding means defining a method with the same name and same parameters in the child class as a method in its parent class, guys. And we can give a different implementation to the inherited method in the child class. When we call the method on the child class instance, the child class method is called, not the parent class method. If you want to call the parent class method also in the child class method, then definitely you can take help of the super function, guys. That's all for this class, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in depth, step by step. I'd suggest you to try this yourself, experiment. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. I'll be happy to clear, guys. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.